It's this slick old Chevy you got there.
Yes, Harris.
Like it. I'm Billy.
Taylor.
It's a pleasure, Taylor. Nice to meet you.
You as well.
Yeah, there it is.
Nice.
Yeah, I don't know much about it other than I do home cleanouts for a living.
Mm-hmm.
This is all he had. He didn't have the charger or the battery. It was some old rich guy in the Richlands.
Mm-hmm.
But he said it worked fine. I think he didn't use it because he said it went too fast for him.
Really?
Yeah.
You know how to pop the hood on it?
I don't know anything about it.
I got a battery to test it with.
Oh yeah, definitely. That'd be awesome. Looks like the hinge is over here.
Ah, gotcha.
Do you have one of these also?
We have one of the chainsaws. It worked.
Yeah. Crazy. Well, that's cool. I was curious though if this is height or a gear. Like what is this lever here for? You know what I mean?
That is probably high.
Oh, it did lower it. Yeah. Yeah, well, there you go. I wonder why it went like that. Like, you think that's supposed to happen?
We'll figure it out. I'm not even sure.
Yeah, there you go. I'll help you load it. Oh, cool color, too. You couldn't see it from the front that it's that green and black. Is it four-wheel drive, too?
It is.
No shit. Oh. Perfect height, no kidding.
There we go. Sweet.
And you're in there.